Today, let's talk about stitches. I already uploaded a video about how to do saddle stitch, which is the very basic stitch in leather craft. You can refer to that if you need. Then today, I want to talk about the X stitch and box stitch. Both can be used when we make flat structure and three-dimensional structure. 1. Box stitch. I'll make two pieces out of one. Let's say we want to attach them together. First, mark stitch points. Just marks, not punching. We should punch holes, right? But when you put two pieces of leather together for flat structure using box stitch, you wanna do somewhat differently. Because the thread should go from the surface through the edge. Make holes like this. Then let's sew. This part is bumpy because of the thread. We can use a thin thread or tap with a hammer lightly. Then let's go to three-dimensional one. In this case, we just punch holes for one piece, and for the other one, make edge penetrating holes. Number 2. Egg stitch. I like egg stitch. I use it when I want to make a vintage impression. This one is easier. We can just make stitching holes normally. Usually people use round dent for the holes, but I just use a prickling iron. It doesn't matter to me. And then stitch it like this. Let's make a structure. Make holes as usual. Then stitch the same as before. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and get information.